Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get right into it. All right, so here we have Bitcoin on Bybit on the 1 hour. So all your moving averages have negative slopes right now. You did get the bearish multi-crossover signal right here, which would tell you that it's time to go short. And being in the bearish control zone, you are below the signal line. Now, I was expecting it to bounce off this level. I was wrong. But we're not going to the depths just yet. Because we did find support by this 44K level. Did get a nice bounce, but so far we've just got a retest and resumption back down. So your RSI is in the bearish control zone. MACD seems to be testing and resuming off to the downside as your negative momentum is increasing. We are below the zero line. Volatility was very high. Seems they came back down as we kind of consolidate right here, decide what we're going to do next. Now it's starting to turn up. I would expect some volatility after this. Now, we'll go to the 4 hour. Actually, we'll talk about the best case scenario on the 1 hour right now for the short term. Best case scenario would be that we come back down and make a double bottom. Long story short. Invalidation of that would be to cross 44K. If we do break 44K in a daily closure, I would expect us to come down to mid to high 30s. So validation of the upside, I mean, pretty easy to get back above this 21 and to get back up in this ascending, well, what used to be an ascending triangle. So this could be just one big bear trap, or this could be the move that starts to lead us down to break that 44K region. Let's move on to the 4 hour. All right, so we got here on the 4 hour. It looks like your 21 is trying to cross the 50 to the downside. Your 100 and 200 still have positive slopes, but we are in the bearish control zone. We are below the moving average. We did cross the zero line to the downside. Actually got two tests of the zero line, resumption down. Negative momentum is increasing. Volatility starting to turn up. On the 4 hour, I would expect some big moves to be coming. Now, we're basically in a range, okay, from basically 48K to 300. So we could just come back down, test the bottom of this range, and then resume off. Now, that does not mean that we're not going to break it. I mean, that's the line. That's the line in the sand. 44,250. All right. So watch that level. Watch that level. Also watch basically 45,500. I wouldn't be really medium. I am medium term bullish still until we break 44K. I am bullish until we break 44K. And then I will become extremely bearish on the short and medium term. So to turn bullish all the way, we need to get back above 46K. So those are your levels. Like I said, break 44K down to the depths, get back above 46K and these two moving averages back to the top of the range at 48,171. So those are my thoughts. If you guys liking the video, please like and subscribe if you want. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.